The dating scene is never ever easy. However, it's particularly tough if you're a shy character type. For those who score an I choice according to Myers and Briggs, then the idea of going out and satisfying up with multiple strangers for dates can be extremely painful. Putting yourself out there and dating as an introvert is the reverse of what you want to be doing, resting on the sofa in your peaceful apartment or condo, wearing sweatpants and reading your book. Dating as an introvert does not have to be a nightmare though. There are things you can do to make the entire experience simpler and attempt we stated even satisfying. As an introvert, you have lots to offer. You're focused, extremely watchful, and a good listener, making you a fantastic conversation partner. Play to your strengths and pick a kind of date that will really make you shine, something like an one-on-one date, ideally not in a loud, congested bar, will provide you an opportunity to actually learn more about your date, get talking and link. If the idea of a sit-down date making conversation with a complete stranger sounds difficult, then you can constantly prepare your date around an activity. Something like going to the theater or a comedy night gives you a way of easing yourself into a date with somebody new, and indicates you have a ready-made subject of discussion if you opt for drinks afterwards. If you're an introvert who collects information through noticing Myers and Briggs personality types ISTJ, ISTP, ISFJ, ISFP, then you tend to gather realities from your immediate environment and count on the things you can see, feel, and hear to notify you. Utilize this element of your character to direct you. You're observant and precise when it comes to the little information. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.